Hello children, welcome to 9th English class. In the previous class we have finished the lesson called The Enchanted Pool. Regarding that, I have started few vocabulary and that remaining vocabulary I will continue in any other classes, and shortly you will get the PDF related to the notes of The Enchanted Pool. Whenever you are free, you have to sit and write the notes children, and then I will start a new lesson called 3 questions. What is this 3 questions? Whose question it was and who will be answering these questions. So children, have you observed our day begin with the question and our day end with the question? As same, our life also is a question, and in our entire life we will be searching of an answer for the question, because we have observed in the last lesson that where the invisible voice asked the Yudhishthira that which is very fast when compared to a wind, right? Which is more faster than a wind. Then he'll answer, that is the mind of a human being, isn't it children? So you think on, now only you can think on, just at present you may be thinking of one question, in very next moment you may be thinking of something else. Thinking of something else in the sense that there is a question mark in your mind that what you are expecting, that you have to get, how to get it, that will be a question. Suppose you think that now you are observing this video, right? Soon after or end of this video, you may be thinking what should I watch or what will be your next my work, that will be your question, isn't it right? Or what is your weekend plan, or if you suppose if you have any function, who will be attending that, with whom I am or with whom you are attending, or what kind of the dress you want to wear. This is all question of your age, isn't it? If suppose if you come to the age of your parents, their question will be something different. It may be a question, it may be a tension, right? Our tension or our queries in the sense it is a question which take a form of a tension, isn't it children? So you observe that suppose I am a teacher, when I come to a class, my question will be that today how to do the class and how to end up and how to reach the mind of the children. That is my question, isn't it? The same way as I told, our day begin with the question and it will be end with the question. Maybe some of our question may be answered and some of the question remain as it is, isn't it? So the better way is that we have to leave our question to the time, because time is the answer for everything. As the time comes, every question will be answered by the time itself. Is it clear children? So move on to the lesson, that is 3 questions. So here a king has a question. A king has a 3 questions and he is seeking answer to them. What are the questions? Does the king get the what he wants? Read to find out. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. So that is a king. He is a king. He thinks that suppose I know the few things, then as a king I never fail. So what is that? Suppose you imagine that who can be called as a good teacher? Who can be called as a good teacher? I assume that if you are a very friendly or very communicative to the children, or if you are responding with the problem of a student, then you will be considered as a what? Good teacher, isn't it children? So, and how you can be a good student, children, that should be your question, isn't it children? So when you come to a age, there is a question in your mind that till now I was in a primary, I came to a high school, that was 8th standard, now you are in 9th, isn't it? But when you come to a 8th, the high school atmosphere is different to you, and teachers may be new to you, and you maybe have had a question that how I should prove myself as a good things, which are the qualities I should be adopted. Then maybe you will get the option you will get. Question in the option you may get that I must be very alert in the class, I must be very attentive in the class, I must be very regular, I must be very honest in my work. If I have all these qualities, then I can prove myself as a good student, isn't it children? These are the options you may be having. Then out of these answers, then you may be in a confusion that which one I should adopt first. Maybe you think that you are so sincere very hardworking, isn't it, children? But you are not able to reach the percentage which you are expecting. Clear, children? That time a question will be remain in your mind that though I am doing hard work, I am sincere, I am regular and very alert, attentive in the class, but still why cannot I reach the percentage which I want? Then what you will do, children? What you will do? Then you will consult your good friend, your parents or anyone, any other relatives, so that they can guide you, they can assist you in a proper way, so that you can reach your expectation. In that manner, when you consult other, your question will be answered. That to be a topper or to reach your level, what you have to do first, then you can succeed in the life. Then your question will be answered. That you will follow. Isn't it, children? Like here, a king had a question that to be a perfect king, to be a good example for other, what I should do? I have three questions that has to be answered. If I adopt the three questions, then I can be a good king. He will think like that. And which are these questions are, what is the right time to begin something? So he thinks that as a king, to begin something, what I should do first. See, what is the right time to do something good or to start something new? What is the right time? He assumed that before starting anything, I have to think that at what time or when I have to start that work. That is the first question. What is that question? What is the right time to begin something? Then the second question is, who should a king listen to? It means that, see that you are a good student. Isn't it, children? You are a good student, but still you need a suggestion, guidance of somebody. Then a question comes that you are not so arrogant, in the sense that you are accepting a guidance, a suggestion from the other. So you think that though I am good, but still I need somebody's advice, guidance. So whose advice I should take? So you think that at what time or when I should start the work. That's the first question. Then the second question is that to whom I should listen, or who will be advise me in my difficulty in the sense in his confusion time. So and then the third question is that what is the most important thing for a king to do? So after all this, which is most important that king should do first? First is that anyhow he has to do, but when he has to start, that is one thing. Then to whom he should listen before doing any work, or should he ask the guidance, or who will be guide? And then the third question is that out of all this, which work is very important that he should do the first? Example, I tell you, as your student, I told you have you have 6 subjects to read, right? In that 6 subjects, when to read? You have to read, you decided to read, and you will read it today. But at what time you have to start? That is your first question. Okay, according to this lesson, I am what example I am giving. At what time you have to study, or when you have to start your study, whether it is a early morning, or after a breakfast, or after a bath, or after a lunch, or after a evening snacks, then a night. That would be your question. Then who should a king listen to? For that, what you can do? Okay. At what time I have to start my studies, for that whose advice I should take. Is it clear, children? In the sense you have to read, when you have to start reading that you don't know. To start your reading, you have to take or consult somebody. That consultation who will give you, that is your second question. Then the third question is that what is the most important things for a king to do? So then out of 6 subjects, which is the most priority or which is most important, that you have to start first. Which subject you have to read? That will be a third question. Children, I hope these 3 questions I have simplified to your student life, so that you can understand which are the 3 priorities of your student life question, which compare to the priority of these king 3 questions. Okay, children, I will move on to the next. The king therefore sent a messenger throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum to anyone who would answer these questions. So what the king will do? These questions should be answered. So what he will do is send a messenger to entire his kingdom, and he says that one who answer my question, they will be given huge reward, in the sense big prize amount I will give you, so that he, like the message he will send to the messenger. Then many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his question differently. Many people came to advise the or answer this question, and but their answer very different, isn't it, children? Their opinion are different. I may tell you read English first, or I may tell you social first, or maths first, science first. Like the priority or the options of the answer of the people are different. So same the way. In reply to the first question, some said the king must be prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. What the one person says that first he has to make the timetable. What is the timetable? Which work is first? Which work is most important? That should be kept first. Then the remaining second, then the third, fourth. So as per the timetable, he has to what? Do the work. As you will do the timetable. First maths, then science, then social, then comes the languages. So he has to prepare the timetable. Then others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time to do for something. Then second one says that it is very difficult to say that which is the first and which is the second, because priority may be different. Because example, assume that yesterday you have finished 2 exercises in a math and science 1 lesson also not started. So today or again you will start maths? No, today you have to start some other subject. So isn't it, children? As per that, we cannot go for the timetable, or strictly every day we cannot follow the timetable. The priority or the difference may be changed. Like the second one will opinion. Then the king should do whatever seemed necessary at the time. So what the next one say? What the king feel which is good to do, that he has to do. Suppose you may feel that doing a maths is continuous boring. I want something relax, so that language you will take up, language which is like a story which will refresh your mind. So as the king feel which is better, which is best to do, that he has to do. Yet others said that the king needed a council of a wise man who would help him act at the proper time. So then the next one will say, for to make his doubt clear, better they appoint some council of ministers, so that they will advise which is the first, which is the second, let them they decide. Then the other said that there were some things which could be urgent. The next one will say, okay, they will say that what they say that is a good, but the king should see no which is urgent, that they should be do. Suppose see, I am a council of minister and one subject is assigned to me. As I am an English teacher, I always insist you to read English first, but what you have to see, you are weak in which subject, that you have to see, right? Then which subject is pending, that you have to see. Depending on that, you have to make your mindset and you have to go for your study, isn't it, children? So here somebody will say to king that. Then the other said that there is something which could be urgent, something may be urgent. Maybe your social man told you to submit the assignment, that is very important, then the reading the English lesson, isn't it, children? So always listening to the council minister also, it's not good. He has to see the urgency of the work. Who has to see? King has to see the urgency of the thing. Then these things could not wait for the decision of the council in order to decide the right time for doing something. It is necessary to look into the future, and only magician could do that. The king therefore would go to the magician. So what other one will say? See, we always cannot expect that only a council of minister will suggest. As per the suggestion of a council of minister, he has to take up his work. That is very wrong to decide. He has to see the urgency, he has to see the need of the work which may helpful in the future. So what I will tell you to spend as a council of minister, I will tell you today only spend your saving 500 rupees. Tomorrow you will get 1000 rupees. Whether it is good to assume that tomorrow you will get 1000, so that you are spending your 500 rupees saving. Children, is it good? No, because you have to see the future, that tomorrow you may not get 1000 rupees by spending today's 500 rupees. So what you will do? You will take only 200 rupees for your expenditure, remaining 300 you will give. But how you are expecting that? How you are expecting that tomorrow you may get or you may not get? Can you predict the future, children? No, you cannot predict the future. So he says that we cannot predict our future. To see our future need, so that we can take up a work depending upon the future. Isn't it, children? Isn't it, children? So that what? In the sense that suppose I will say you have a qualities of being a scientist, so you only read science. If I say like that, and can you read only science to be a scientist, children? No, because it is that we cannot predict somebody's future, isn't it? To predict the future, what we have to be? We have to be a magician. Magician here it seems that astrologer, Bhavishya Heduvaru. They can only tell. Even what they will say, sometimes it will become a wrong. So that last one will say that we cannot predict our future, and so that we cannot decide which is most important, that may be helpful to the future. So that opinion or that suggestion also failed. Then in their answer to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his council. So what is the second question of the king? Who should be advised by who should advise the king? That is the second question, isn't it? So in answer to that question, somebody will say that some said that people of most necessary to the king were the counselors. So the person which are so closer, or the relative or the friends of the king, they should be a council of minister. And the second said that in the council the priest must be there. Priest in the sense one who worship, one who believe in the positive thoughts. They should be advisor of the king. And the few other choose doctor, so that whatever problem you get, doctor will rescue. So the doctor should be in a counselor. Then and at others said that his soldiers were the most necessary, and somebody said that no, out of all is only soldier, because they will rescue in all the difficulties. They will be protected by the all the enemies. So the suggestion were like that they should be a relative of a king, or their doctor, or the priest, or the soldier. Out of these four, any one or two could be a what? Council of minister of the king. To the third question, some said attack, other choose fight, and yet other religious worship. So what is the third question? What is the third question? That when or which is the most important, isn't it? So its third question is that, see, what is the third question? What is the most important thing for the king to do? Which is the important, or how you will be recognized as a king? Only if you are attacked, or only if you are doing a fighting, or only if you are doing a religious thing, then only you will be considered as a king. It means that as a teacher, my work is teaching. As a doctor, their work is to serve the what? Patient. Isn't it, children? So the king means he has to fight, or he has to attack, or he has to do the religious work. That is only the work of the king. These are the suggestions got by the king. As the answer of his question were so different, the king wasn't satisfied. He decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. So the answer of all the people for his three questions were not satisfied by the king. King is not at all satisfied by the answer for the three questions. So what he will decide? I give up all the suggestions given by the different people, and I will consult one of the hermit in the sense Rishi or a Jnani. So he is known for his wisdom in the sense knowledge. He was known for the knowledge, and I will visit them, and king hoped that hermit will answer all of these questions. Children, let's see that whether the king will get answered for his three questions in the next class. Till then, keep reading the lesson and have touch with your subject as well as the language. See you soon, children. Bye.